we're hearing from the Farm Bureau about their new report, how the trends are looking for agriculture in the state. That's our top story on 10/11 News at 6. Thanks for joining us. I'm Madison Pitch. While numbers show a marginal decrease in Nebraska's first quarter GDP, including in the agriculture sector, experts say the fundamentals of the state's largest industry remain strong. 10/11 Starsha Dodge has more tonight on the economics and the beefed up beef prices. She joins me now with more. Darsha, where are those beef prices sitting?
Yeah, Madison, a pound of ground beef cost more than 10% over a year ago. And as of January 1st, the U.S. had only 86.7 million head of cattle, the lowest number since 1951. That's a dwindling supply while beef remains popular. It's just one part of Nebraska's industry on a positive swing. Ag's contribution to the state GDP dropped almost 4% in the first quarter of this year. Jordan Dux with the Nebraska Farm Bureau explained it's part of the natural ebb and flow of the industry, as certain commodities are sold at different times.
We're in this down cycle, I think, from a crop perspective of the state and the ag economy. That's where we've seen some decrease in the state GDP. Now, ultimately, we're having a lot of positive moves on the livestock sector.
External factors like tariffs aren't entirely to blame either, though that pressure creates uncertainty that can have an impact on ag markets. And a new UNL report showing the state's ag land values dropped 2%.
Margins for cropland producers appear to be somewhat tighter this year than they've been in recent years, while the margins for cow-calf for those folks in the livestock industry for with cattle seem to be better.
For ranchers, those current high beef prices are a positive.
It is a very important segment, and we've seen record prices for cattle in this state. It's a positive thing across the board.
Whether beef, pork, corn, or soybeans, Dux is hopeful the tariff conversation will continue to break down trade barriers and increase the nation's number of trade partners. Dux adding they're also hoping to grow demand for meat protein domestically, which will help producers not be as reliant on international markets.
If we can get more of these products out of our farms and ranches into the ports and we are shipping more product out, if we increase demand, that's going to be a positive impact for Nebraska farmers and ranchers.
Well, the U.S. imports more than 4 billion pounds of beef a year, so if tariffs remain in place long term, producers could eventually see those higher prices.